everyone, this is LovelyAma and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I've been a little bit busy. That's the reason why I'm still busy, but don't worry, I will return back. I know that since I returned from Denmark, I've not done a video showing you my face and everything, but don't worry, I'll be back and I'll come and show you my face and everything. But I've been busy with work. That's the reason why you guys has not yet seen me, but soon you will see me. And I went to a birthday party. They are friends, but more than friends, they are family. Yeah, I went to my mom's birthday and I thought in the last minute to do a vlog video, so I didn't vlog from the starting. When we entered and we were singing happy birthday to her, I didn't vlog that part, but it came on my mind to vlog to show you guys later on. So hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. This is part 1, but part 2 of the video will come. And I love you all, guys. Bye. Kiss kiss. Mwah, mwah. Bye.
And Apoku and the Crobia Santua and the cow madwin a boom. We say, Namia, you mad dum, I'm a woman, me. When you met your back, I can't own fear. And more boom compon no boot and Quintalia. Nanka, a pound bear now to be a million in the son. And so I bobby, a woman walk and sing was in Timby a cherry. I bobby a friend, I was Marco today. So when I'm coming out, let's say, dear, a button in one. Was it a cherry? So me come on, come be a cushy eye. And tia will say, I say, be be our name, and then it die. So Yami are doing you at a chance no man. Omo you be a dica crady at shred, or mumma, me, among some pat. And not a one now. Say the evening. And a crow matter himself, Fred, yea, I don't feel cacra. Was almost panic at a car. Let a love for the way or buying a cheap. And so upon 4 bedroom no. Twins or my two mistakes. The woman in come way. Now, Yamia, mammy, you know, I feel back of 365 days. Cucurias here, or how near be saying in no. No, Yamia, wow, you more feeding so for you. Or my more Caribbean son, no man. And a Beliza will do what you do. The woman can say, Yamia, you man. Tia, I come to the Americans, you never told a woman about their mouth. Not really a child. Yeah, never come up to happy day. See, your mamma, your mamma, you back home, you, yes, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So guys, the 2 ladies hugging there, they are all my mothers. Yeah, them 2 are my mothers, and it was their birthday, so we surprised them. All I wanted to say is don't mind their dressing, guys, please, because it was a surprise, so they wasn't expecting it, so they couldn't dress properly. They were wearing the dress that they normally use when they are at home. Yeah, so don't mind their dressing. Yeah, the 2 of them are my mothers. Yeah, and it was their birthday, so we surprised them.
So anyone else where the acid that's over my one so also bambo I want one fem. I brand was a mo yame I want a year I'm a do sabi and the acid that pie ma sam telephone you say I was young for a major you be arguing near that almost then this is a pure opinion. You say, I'm not open any day, if you be a year, no crap. sister Kuya Ekunanam. No what just asked the PCM. Say, the woman say, Oma wa, yet Yananam, ever please pen pencil. I had dear pa, Madame Maba, Mananta, Munya Wali, to move to the American. Na mo mo wayire no wo beti de me kan se aha so we tietie wa enough from so we kunu tietie munya emma mu wo wa to se ku no ma no yes and check na we fi be mi se na se mi mi ne yen aga na ni wo pa ma o to se ku mu nua ba ene wo ma ne yen tie si ada papa fo ya se bia ena emmanuel ba ya fuso wo so si eda wo mas e fi se se na na poku ene ni sister ketwa crop ya santwa ma wo ni se monica antwa so wo so tete wo ma ma no a ma mfo ni ti ni fi ya do fo no wo ha ni sram come ni na poku ene ma ntwa ene crop ya santwa se se you want go mama and you want mama when you want and cause you through every na ateti em anti me ama na ma nfoi eti me bi wo mu kwana so ame the prince impression dem sa mai se asu bi o ne wo mama mo tie na ma wo mu fia na nfoi ni eti me enti mo ka fo ma ka mo me na poku ene mai ni esa so ni ni so asi se o mo so aye ni o mas
Misha
if you say, oh my, dear pa, asumbi o muni awofo ni TNT, ana mi amu ni ewu. Oh my, dear pa, why is it? Oh my, dear, the person. Oh my, dear pa. Oh, so leadership.
Oh, sister girl.
I'm sure put out here. Obi ti ase no bibi o ye na nase wo wu awie afi obi kwaja kasa mu ni paso so ya na o ye sa wo wu awie ti de wo ka bia wo ti mra wo ti ase na de wa ya ma wo so wo ama wo ti bi ya wie ni emi afa ye ni a ya se ya da ye so an pa wo bi ya se ya da je se ye ma me ho donti ye ya ba e ye me nko ma gina abusia nyina na em se ebi no so fi ba bi ba aye enya ba ko fe Mr. Prince ona go head so be kai na ye yo nya enti me gina abusia nyina na no madam mo so so ba ye nyina se ye wa hwi bia ona ko che ona na ka ona wo ko in dreams go in nobody else, someone special for them. I believe my someone. Amen. Do you feel I said, maybe a film, a bass of the warrior, Papa, and Mammy. And Jim, I worry, I'm going to say them, and I do wrong for that. And I'm not worried. And I said, you will never listen. He's ranking and you say,
It's me the Mawari to me before. I'm a very so dear and the money per year. Yes, someone who I'm so. My fast my big thing in 2 4. Not just dear and family. I thought to be the Asadama. Why don't yeah, or then support me. Sad say, my book for the book for Murana, and I am for Murana. My book. My name is Sad, this is a say. I'm a I don't mean mammy, you know. Then my brand can say, yeah, would Jama and an apple kujan. Mamma, buy ya.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here in the sight of God, in the face of His omniscience, to join this man in this holy moment, which is an honorable message instituted of God in the time of man's innocence, signifying unto us the mystical meaning of Jesus Christ.
Na omudi so enam so ama ya benya emma dofo a ti sei ya me nka enyi wo mu free san se die me papa ye no sa na omo so etie enti hu wo ma na em se mahunu papa ana me hu wo ma na em se mahunu asanto e kana ma ka mega die nyame onsra mu nyina na onye obi a kese na fe so no Queer. Nana sister queer de the Mr. Woman. Na me na sister queer say. Mi sister Benina mi dine chira for me. Sister Iba usia we no. No passe munye. Ikanye ma sister we. Eba ya bra bomo no niema nyame na no so asisa wo usia we ma. Na so bi. Obi wo ma wo bra wo usia mu. Na busuane sister we wura no ona le pa no wura busua we the man in Mr. Nwe ebra me dey sister fi asima ba mo fa one etu we kura emani ansa turning around Mr. Pia, nyame omi sura o my husband, you need to on your birthday.
Wow. What's your beer so?
Our little message for mommy is, a simple birthday gift is not enough for all your care and love, Mom.
Wow.
The joy and happiness you give to us make life such a joy to live. My joy with my husband and I wish for you all good things from above. For you, long life in good health, prosperity, joy, and many more for your entire family. Mother of all. We love you. Happy birthday and a Merry Christmas in advance.
Wow.
Mr. and Mrs. Ernest Adolfo. Thank you.
As I said, guys, from the starting of this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends, guys. And happy Christmas in advance, guys. Yes, we are in December, and I pray that God will protect everyone and keep everyone safe till the end of this year and continue to protect us. Bye. So stay tuned and watch this video with me.